A long, long time ago, there was a great Swedish man called Carolus Linnaeus. Every time people would call his name, he would feel special. But he had no part in naming himself. His parents did. So while sitting in his room, he thought, why don't we have names for each organism living in this world? So he took the task upon himself and became the father of taxonomy by introducing binomial nomenclature. Organisms are classified on the basis of similarities and dissimilarities shown by them. Organisms showing similarities in their characters are placed in the same or closely related groups, while those exhibiting dissimilarities are placed in distant groups. This systematic arrangement of organisms into categories also involves naming them. The scientific method of assigning a universally accepted name to an organism is called nomenclature. The system of identifying an organism by two names is known as the binomial nomenclature system. This system was proposed by Carolus Linnaeus, who is considered the father of taxonomy. There are two international codes that are agreed upon by biologists all around the world, which make sure that each organism gets a name that is unique in nature and globally identified. These codes are International Code for Botanical Nomenclature, ICBN, and International Code for Zoological Nomenclature, ICZN. In the binomial nomenclature system, the scientific name of an organism comprises two words. The first word is the name of the category called genus and is referred to as the generic name. The second word is the name of the species and is called the specific name. Sometimes the name of the discoverer or author is written after the specific name. The binomial nomenclature system is guided by a set of rules. According to these rules, scientific names should be written either in italics or should be underlined. The generic name should begin with a capital letter, and the specific name should begin with a small letter. For example, the scientific name of the Indian frog is Rena tigrina Linn. Here, the generic name is Rena, and the specific name is Tigrina. Linn specifies the name of discoverer, that is Linnaeus. Another example is maize. The scientific name of maize is Z. maize Linn. The generic name for maize is Z, while the specific name is mace. Linn is for Linus. The scientific name of human being is Homo sapiens Linn. Homo is the generic name and sapiens is the specific name. Linnaeus gave the scientific name for human beings. Thus, his name is written after specific name as Linn. Earlier, scientists followed a trinomial nomenclature system, wherein a scientific name had three words. Example, Homo sapiens sapiens. Such names consisted of the genus name, species name, and a subspecies name. Animals and not plants can have the same genus and species name. Example, gorilla gorilla, bison bison, vulpes vulpes. Such scientific names are called tautonyms. Let's summarize. The scientific method of assigning a universally accepted name to an organism is called nomenclature. The system of identifying an organism by two names is known as the binomial nomenclature system. It was proposed by Carolus Linnaeus, who is considered the father of taxonomy. ICBN and ICZN are the international codes followed for standardization of scientific names. Rules of binomial nomenclature Scientific names should either be written in italics or underlined. The generic name should begin with a capital letter, and specific name should begin with a small letter. The name of the author is written in abbreviated form after the species name. For example, Reina tigrina Linn. In the trinomial nomenclature system, a scientific name consisted of 3 words. Scientific names with the same genus and species name are called tautonyms. Binomial nomenclature really helps in removing long descriptions. They help give each species a specific and unique name. Explore more about species in our other videos.